Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Ngosinathi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm coming. I'm so late. We're going on a workshop, a media workshop. So for church. So I'm gonna vlog for you guys. And yeah, I'm in a rush. I can't show you my fit. I'll show you Pambil if it am. Let me quickly show you my fit. It's giving office girl. I'm wearing my brown blazer for Markham's, shirt from my brother's closet, jeans from The Fix, and my shoes from Exit. Jewelry, obviously, earrings. Let's go, guys. And in oh my me, be late.
So they are sort of documentaries on websites where you make your own journey through the website. You click on different photos, you click on different videos, and you interact with the content to tell stories. And I've been doing this for about 15 years. What I'm trying to do is sort of distill this knowledge that I have for production for mobiles and allow you to use some tools that you have in your hand. If you zoom in that far, it's just going to be, the image is not going to be good enough quality. So at that point, you've got to move your feet. There's a great quote which is, if your pictures aren't good enough, you're not close enough. So, like when I'm at an event, I'm trying to.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Balla bella, ubale zonke izibusiso. Balla bella, balla bella.
Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400, I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You can slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
your intuition that's been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Hey, laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Oh no, baby, talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight, did I make a mistake? And I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 My intuition has been telling me. Trust what you said to me. You ain't never really felt love till you slept with me. I'm busy, it's no wonder you upset with me.
Hello guys, what's up? It's your boy Musnati. Welcome back. Hello guys, what's up? It's your boy Musnati. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're back with a new look. It's a Monday morning. I woke up with great spirits. Be in the great mood. It's a new month. It's a month of love. Guys, I'm telling you to buy flowers. Please send me flowers. It's a month of love. Sana, show love to me. Guys, I can see that we're growing as our subscribers. We're going to 200 subscribers. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Let's reach, for my birthday month, let's reach 3,000. But I'll try also to be consistent. Yeah. So, guys, today I just woke up and just decided just to wake up and be in the great space of my life and just be happy, just go out and have a great day. You get me? We might go to Bootlegger tonight, this morning, probably around 12 for brunch or something, and then come back home. And yeah, I can't think of guys. I'm just vibing. The school has not opened. Zivolang is 17. I'm not ready, but I'm ready. You get me? I'm so glowy. Why? Is there someone in my life? Well, it's God's grace that I'm so gorgeous and I'm so glowing because what God has pulled through her. But guys, let me see you guys later. If I'm still gonna go to Bootlegger, I'm still deciding whether to go or not. Yeah. If not, then we're gonna go and catch my flowers. Get my flowers at another forest. Because it's a month of love. So what else can I spoil myself with? Flowers. So yeah. Up, we're back. I'm gonna show you guys my fit. These are my jewels for now, and then this is my fit. Here's my fit, guys. This is my fit. My stickers and socks. So guys, now we're on our way to Bootlegger and go and fetch my flowers. And yeah, let's go. Hi guys, I just came to tell you that I just bought a frappuccino, né? And then I just decided to go because I'm pissed. I'm very pissed because yo guys, you understand. Maybe I'll tell the story at a later stage, but for now I'm kind of pissed. And I feel like if I was gonna stay there, I was gonna be more pissed at the waitresses. You get me? But let's go and get my flowers because I think those flowers will make me feel happy again. But for now, I'm pissed. Like I'm pissed. What's up, it's your boy? I'm back. I'm going to get some flowers, as I said. Got these flowers. How cute are they? Self-love, yes, and mama. I got these flowers. There's nothing that I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna rest now and take a nap, and then probably later on. Oh, there's a prayer session that's happening later on for church. So yeah, I'm gonna attend that from Zoom, and I think that's about it. And yeah, guys, love you lots. It's Kasana's time.